Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine. Now in this video we are going to see what's the price change occurs, what's the high price of Hedera hashgraph in the previous last 1 hour, in the previous last 2 hour, what's the price changes occur in Hedera hashgraph. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button right now and complete my 3k subscriber. My wish to hit 3k subscriber. Please, if you listen my voice, please help me and click the subscribe button right now. Now let's see what's the price change occur in Hedera hashgraph in the previous last 1 hour, in the previous last 2 hour. Let's see the price change occur in Hedera hashgraph. As you can see now on screen, that is the live price prediction of Hedera hashgraph of previous 2 hour. As you can see now, the graph tells us that they fast down, but now it currently at the last 1 hour they are again starting a jump, as you can see here, and now currently at this time they are going up. So if you want to make money in a cryptocurrencies market, so it's a big opportunity for you to buy a Hedera hashgraph and make a good amount of profit. As you can see here now, they are jumping time of Hedera hashgraph, so it's a best opportunity. Now as you can see here, the changes is about positive 0.11% change occur in Hedera hashgraph in the previous last 2 hour. Now the high price of Hedera hashgraph is about $0.366213 is the high price of Hedera hashgraph in the previous last 2 hour. And the now let's see the live price prediction of previous 2 hour. That is the live price prediction of previous 2 hour. And now currently let's see the last 1 hour result of Hedera hashgraph in cryptocurrencies markets. Please share your opinion in the comment box. What's to say about the Hedera hashgraph, as it best for making money with cryptocurrencies or not? Please share your opinion in the comment box. As you can see here, so as we see the chart analysis of Hedera hashgraph of the previous last 1 hour, so it is clear that Hedera hashgraph goes upward in the previous last 1 hour, and now currently at this time they are moved to ready for a huge jump. As you can see here, the price changes is about positive 1.21% change occur in Hedera hashgraph in the previous last 1 hour, and the high price of Hedera hashgraph is about $0.363385 is the high price of Hedera hashgraph in the previous last 1 hour. So that is the live price prediction of last 1 hour, last 2 hour. You are watching now on ABS Tech channel. Please don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and update about cryptocurrency markets.